Hello, Wildtree fans. Jen Oridson here, popping in with a super quick updated video on how to most quickly and efficiently put together your grocery list for your Dinners in a Dash menu that you ordered. We always, of course, have the option to order those groceries chopped, prepped, and delivered on a weekly schedule right to your front door. But if you prefer to do your own shopping and prep, I want to make sure that is as easy as possible for you. Now you know that your Dinners in a Dash bundle came with the printout of your recipes, and that is awesome. A super quick, easy reference for putting those easy meals together. But I still love my digital grocery shopping list. I don't want to necessarily have to write it over to a piece of paper from looking at those printed recipes. I want it to just appear on my phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm looking at the web version of our app, but we have the same stuff on your phone. I like to do this from my computer, and then it's easier that way for me, and then that list just syncs right over to my app when I'm at the grocery store. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so here I am on the dashboard, or like the main wildtree.com, what you see when you go to wildtree.com. And then this is what I'm doing after I just bought a Dinners in a Dash menu. So I'm going to go to recipes, I'm going to go to browse recipes, and then you'll need to type in the name of your the menu that you chose. So let's do cool weather classics, for example. And once you search that, you should get the 8 results of the recipes that came in that menu. So what I recommend doing from this screen, of course you can add these to your grocery list right from here, but I think it's super handy dandy to use the menu planner just so you know what you've already eaten and when you plan to eat what, etc. And you can do it quick and easy from here. So let's just add, to consider this like a month's worth of dinners. Let's add 2 per week to the calendar. So we'll click this calendar button. We'll add the first 2 to week 1. We'll add the second 2, if that makes any sense, to week 2. The next 2, that's a better way to say it, to week 3. And then the last pair to week 4. All right, fantastic. So we now have the 8 Dinners in a Dash planned out for the month. So we will go over to My Menu Plan, and that pops up our calendar. We see we have 2. I cleared out my calendar, so it was just for this. So we have 2 in every week. So we're looking at week 1 here, and we see we have pork chops with balsamic glaze and lazy stuffed cabbage. So you can just go ahead and click this wheat button, or wheat looking icon right here. Are you sure you want to add all the ingredients in this recipe to your grocery list? Go ahead and click yes. Do that for both of them. Click yes. And then those are on your grocery list. You see it's confirming that over here. Now another way you can do that, I just wanted to add all those to show you how easy that was, but you can click into the recipe, look at what is called for, and decide, oh, what do I have at home? What do I need to pick up? And just add it ingredient by ingredient with each of these wheat buttons. Like in my house, for example, I would need to pick up the pork chops and the Brussels sprouts, but I would have had the balsamic vinegar and the dried cranberries in my cupboard. For example. Okay, so now we go back over to my menu plan again, and then you'll see we have these choices at the top of this My Pantry, Create My Menu, My Plan, Grocery List, Collections. So if we click over to Grocery List, it should have the items that were in those 2 recipes that we just added with that wheat button. And so you can kind of scan through here too and be like, oh, I got that big bag of onions from Costco the other day, so I can delete that off of there. Or, oh, I already have some cream cheese in the freezer, I can pull that out, I'll delete that off of there. Whatever. I order my crushed tomatoes from Amazon Subscribe and Save, so I'm going to delete that off of there. Whatever it might be. But you can get rid of those from here. And then this will transfer straight over to your phone. You can finish out your grocery list for the week by going here and saying, okay, I need to add orange juice, 1 or whatever, add it. Oh, phone call. And just make this so this is your only grocery list that you're having to look at the whole, here's orange juice down in the, oh, canned and packaged goods. I don't know if that's where where I would have called it in the store, but whatever, it's there. So that is the quick and dirty tutorial on how to create your grocery list for your Dinners in a Dash menu. Thank you so much for giving it a try, and enjoy.